Hello and welcome to Ved Tattva. At Ved Tattva, we believe that only selection of herbs is not the right choice to offer holistic healthcare solutions. But combining this knowledge with the modern expertise and experience in developing perfect formulation matters the most. Be it requirement for Ayurveda products, herbal cosmetics, personal care products, and green food supplements, we have everything for customers' needs that too are backed with R&D practices and government certifications. To reach our consumers at overseas, we continue to work hard. Due to our constant and unmatched efforts, we have also received GMP certification. Ved Tattva is one of the top Ayurvedic company in India and it is offering more than 200 best Ayurvedic products. Ved Tattva is one-stop solution for one of the best Ayurvedic medicines available online. Here we have various product categories to fulfill the requirements of our valuable customers. First, green food supplements. Green food has become a daily need of every generation. And to fulfill your daily nutritional need, Ved Tattva has come up with a wide range of green food supplements. Ved Tattva has come up with unique green formula which is a combination of various green foods such as wheat grass, alfalfa, barley grass, spirulina, flax seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, etc. So by consuming just one tablet, you can get the benefits of various green foods to support your healthy living. Second, Ayurvedic herbal powders and organic powders. After knowing the benefits of various herbs, we are in constant search of pure and natural herbal Ayurvedic powders. Keeping this need in the mind, Ved Tattva has come up with a wide range of herbal Ayurvedic powders that are 100% natural, pure and chemical free. Ved Tattva also has premium quality organic powders which are US FDA certified to provide maximum benefits to the consumers. Third, herbal Ayurvedic formulation. Each herb has their unique value and benefit. Imagine what will happen if we combine these herbs together. It will be a magical formula. And keeping this point in mind and combining the right herbs together, Ved Tattva has come up with a wide range of novel herbal Ayurvedic formulations. There are two types of formulations. The first one is medicated cow ghee formulation. In these formulations, we have used pure A2 cow ghee along with herbal blend to offer maximum benefits. And the second one is Ayurvedic formulation with natural bioenhancers. In these formulations, we have used natural bioenhancers along with the herbal mixture to enhance the overall effectiveness. Fourth one is herbal Ayurvedic single herb. Single herbal supplements are made using only one herb and is available in a tablet or a capsule form. These supplements are a combination of single herbal powder and single herbal extract. Herbal extract has been used because of the presence of active component to enhance its effectiveness. Fifth one is natural personal care. People are looking for pure and natural personal care products that will bring back the glow on the skin and that will help them to take care of their hair. Keeping this point in mind, Ved Tattva has come up with a wide range of skin and hair care products. All these personal care products are paraben free and chemical free. Instead, they are made using ancient Ayurvedic techniques. The sixth one is herbal tea. Ved Tattva is offering a natural replacement to a tea lover and for all the people who want to live a healthy lifestyle. Herbal tea is the best solution. We have combined various herbs and added them in these tea tablets to offer various health benefits. You just have to add one herbal tea tablet in a glass of hot water, stir well and your 100% sugar-free and healthy herbal tea is ready. So start living healthily with Ved Tattva. Visit www.vedtattva.com.